In this test we are going to demonstrate the pot meter, as you can see here, and what we are doing is tying that to our Pyroraptor Java application, in which case it's going to read the pot meter every 300 milliseconds. Remember that the pot meter is connected to our I2C device, which is 4-channel ADC and a DAC. The DAC is 5 volts going through full scale 5 volts going through 100K resistor, which at 50 microamps gives us full scale. So first thing we're going to do is start a thread here. Notice that we've also entered the address for this device, which is 4E, and I'm going to start the thread and let's see what happens. So as I move the knobs, you can see that the Java bean also adjusts according to the knob. So this is a great way to test analog devices and measure analog signals using the Java Pyroraptor application. Here we go. Let's go ahead and put them both at midpoint. Move this to 0. Move this to full scale. We can also adjust the DAC. So I have a slider here which I'll adjust, and you can see that the DAC moves full scale as I move the slider. Here's the midpoint and here's 0. So I can always show data in an analog form on an analog meter, which is very useful and a very important way to show information. For example, we use this to show distance from the ultrasonic sensor. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look closer up of the Java application. You can see that over here I'm adjusting the slider, and you'll notice the meter move as I adjust the slider. And let's go ahead and look at the Java beans, and as I adjust the potentiometers, you can see that the Java bean measures the analog input from that channel. Here we're showing 2 channels. We've set the other 2 channels to 0 since we only have 2 potentiometers. We also have at the bottom here a radio button which adjusts the scales appropriately, because we can use the same setup, the I2C 4-channel ADC, to measure an analog accelerometer, which we will demonstrate later on.